Hi, my name is Erin Talley. This is my persuasive speech for Miss Katz's class, Speech 1315. My group, Group 2, has done ours over the nonprofit organization, the World Wildlife Fund. My portion of this speech will be covering the visualization. If we teach people about wildlife, they will be touched. Share my wildlife with me, because humans want to save things that they love. Steve Irwin. This quote helps explain how humans are drawn to things that they care about and are driven to help nurture and protect them through a purely instinctual nature. The World Wildlife Fund has many goals and aspirations for the future. It has been protecting and nurturing the diversity of life on this earth for almost 60 years now. Their work holds the future of not only nature, but also consequentially mankind in their hands. By focusing and concentrating their efforts on 6 main areas, which include food, climate, fresh water, wildlife, forests, and oceans, the World Wildlife Fund strives to, quote, conserve nature and reduce the most pressing threats to the diversity of life on Earth. The world's beauty evokes, in most cases, a purely instinctual and oftentimes emotional response from almost any human being. From the magnificence of a sunset, to the fierce sway of the ocean, to even the soft breeze that flows through the trees in a forest. The world's natural beauty is unmistakably remarkable. Without the amazing thing that we call nature, this earth would prove to be a desolate wasteland and would not be nearly as welcoming to our future generations. Nature allows mankind to prosper on this earth. It sustains us as a species. That is, as long as we can help conserve it. Now, imagine a world without enough food to go around, without fresh water to sustain life on Earth, without the wildlife that, in turn, allows you to stay alive in the world. As many have said, a world without wildlife is not a world at all. Many of this world's natural features have helped us evolve as a species. They've helped us cure diseases, solve many of our problems. If we continue to destroy nature at the rate that we are, then many of these opportunities will no longer be available to us. The World Wildlife Fund helps work to preserve all of these great benefits that nature gives us. And if our wildlife and nature in general were not protected and supported by the World Wildlife Fund and many other organizations like it, our world would prove to be not nearly as welcoming as it is currently. It would probably not even be able to support life. Eventually, mankind would die out along with all the resources that we have destroyed. The World Wildlife Fund's attempts to educate people around the world and to protect nature in the world's best interest help prevent the vision above from becoming a reality. The impacts that this organization has on the wildlife of the world are essential to keeping not only the trees growing, the animals thriving, and the water flowing, but also to mankind's existence in this world at all. Without the World Wildlife Fund, this world would not be one that we could live in. The World Wildlife Fund impacts our lives in many ways. It helps conserve the world's natural beauty, making our world a better place for our children and our grandchildren. It also helps protect endangered and nearly endangered animals by many efforts of conservation. But most importantly, it benefits the overall quality of life on Earth. Thank you.